To create mid-fidelity wireframes in Figma, start by opening a new file and setting up your project. Choose a name for your project and set the dimensions to match your desired screen size. Create a new frame by clicking on the Frame tool and dragging it to the size you need. Next, define your grid system to help you create a consistent and organized layout. Go to the File menu and select Grid to set up your grid preferences. Choose a grid size and gutter width that works best for your design. Now, start creating your wireframe elements. Use Figma's built-in shapes and tools to create basic elements such as buttons, text fields, and navigation bars. Use the Rectangle tool to create containers and the Text tool to add labels and placeholders. To create more complex elements, use Figma's Component feature. Components allow you to create reusable elements that can be easily duplicated and modified throughout your design. To create a component, select the elements you want to include and go to the right sidebar and click on the component icon. Add depth and visual hierarchy to your design by using different line weights, colors, and typography. Use Figma's Style feature to create a consistent visual language throughout your design. Create a new style by selecting an element and clicking on the style icon in the right sidebar. To create interactive elements, use Figma's Prototype feature. Prototyping allows you to create clickable and tappable elements that simulate the user experience. To create a prototype, go to the Prototype tab and click on the plus icon to create a new interaction. Finally, test and refine your wireframe by creating a prototype and testing it with real users. Use Figma's Collaboration feature to share your design with others and get feedback. Make iterations based on the feedback you receive and refine your design until you are satisfied with the result. By following these steps, you can create a mid-fidelity wireframe in Figma that effectively communicates your design concept and user experience. Remember to keep your design consistent, intuitive, and user-centered. And don't be afraid to iterate and refine your design until you achieve the desired outcome.